Hello everyone! So welcome sa ating lesson ngayon sa Mathematics Week 6, Day 1. Bago tayo magtungo sa ating aralin, let's have a review first of our previous lesson. So adding two-digit numbers without regrouping. So 50 plus 50. So kapag ganito na ang tens, ang ones ay 0. So we have to write the 0 first. Then let's add yung number na nasa tens. That is 5 plus 5 and that is 10. So the answer here is 100. 50 plus 40. Sulat ang 0. Then 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer here is 90. Next, we have 60 plus 20. So, write natin muna yung 0. Tapos, 6 plus 2 is 8. So, the answer here is 80. Then, 80 plus 10. So, we can skip count by 10 here. 80, 90. 30 plus 40. So, let's write 0. Then, 3 plus 4 is 7. So, the answer is 70. 40 plus 40. So let's write 0. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. So the answer here is 80. Next we have 10 plus 20. So 10 plus 20, let's write 0. Or we can skip count by 10 here. 20, 30. So the answer here is 30. Our objective, to add two-digit and two-digit numbers with sum up to 100 in horizontal form without regrouping. Nakikita, 45 plus 25. So, the addends here is 45 and 25. So, yung addends, kung natatandaan nyo, ito yung mga number na ating pinagpa-plus o pinagsasama. So, magbigay o mag-isip ng paraan kung paano natin makukuha ang sum nito. So, maraming way para makuha ang sum nito, kagaya ng mga nakaraan nating lesson. So, let's start. O, possible na gawin natin, we can use counters. So, 40 plus 25. So, ito yung 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. Tapos sa 25, ito yung 10, 20. Tapos ibukod natin yung units niya na 5. So, we can skip count by 10 here. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 plus 5 is 65. Next, pwede nating using the place value chart and counter. So, sa 60, 60 plus 5. So, diba, dun kanina, 40, meron tayong apat na tens. Tapos, dito sa 25, meron dalawa. So, sa 40 plus 20 is 60, then plus 5, 65. So, applying place value. So, sa 40, ang 4 ay tens, ang 0 ay ones. Sa 25, ang 2 ay tens, ang 5 ay 1. So, ito yung magkatapat. So, meron tayong 4 at saka 2 tens, that is 6 tens. Meron tayong 0 and 5 ones, that is 5 ones. So, 6 tens is 60 and 5 ones is 5. So, that is 60 plus 5, 65. And here we have the applying, the composing, and decomposing of numbers using expanded form. Ito yung pagpapahaba, no, ng numbers. When we say expanded, expand from the word expand, ibig sabihin pinapahaba. Okay, so ito yung gagawin natin. So you need to listen carefully. So example, we have 40 plus 25. So expand natin yung 40. So 40 pa rin yan kasi wala naman siyang ones. Dahil 0. Then 25, pag in-expand natin to, that is 20 plus 5. So ipag-plus natin yung nasa 10, which is 40 plus 20, that is 60. Tapos ilagay natin yung 5 dahil wala tayong ipa-plus sa 5. 60 plus 5 is equals to 65. So makinig kayo sa aking suliranin. Mayroong dalawang tray ng itlog. Ang tray A ay mayroong 23 na itlog. Ang tray B ay may 15 na itlog. Ilan lahat ang itlog kapag pinagsama? So, alamin ang sum. Kunin natin ang sum ng 23 at 15 sa pamamagitan ng pag-compose o pag-decompose ng mga bilang. I-solve natin ito na naka-horizontal. O, ito yung tinatawag nating expanded form o pagpapahaba. So first, we have 23 plus 15. So ginawa ko to para mas maunawaan nyo paano yung expanded form. So kailangan makinig kayong mabuti dahil pag hindi nyo ito makukuha. First, i-expand natin ang 23 o i-decompose natin ang 23 or pwede rin naman natin sabing i-expand kasi papahabain natin. So that is 20 plus 3, di ba? 23, 20 plus 3. Then 15, expand natin, that is 10 plus 5. Pagkatapos, dito ilalagay natin yung tens. Alin ba yung nasa tens? That is 20 at 10. So 20 plus 10. Then dito naman yung ones, that is 3 and 5. O baka sabihin nyo kung saan natin kinuha. Ulitin ko. Etong tens, etong 20 at 10, yun yung may 0. Then etong ones, 3 at 5, yun yung walang 0. Tapos saka natin ipag-plus. 20 plus 10 is 30, and 5 or 3 plus 5 is 8. And then for the final answer, 30 plus 8 is equals to 38. Alamin ang sum ng sumusunod na addends, isolve ito horizontally gamit ang paraan ng pag-decompose using expanded form. We have 34 plus 23. I-decompose natin, magiging 30 plus 4. I-decompose ang 23, magiging 20 plus 3. Tapos, dito ilalagay natin yung nasa tens, that is 30 and 20, kasi yun yung may 0. Para mabilis yun lang matandaan. Then, 4 and 3, 4 plus 3. Then, i-plus na natin, 30 plus 20 is 50. Then, 4 plus 3 is 7. So, 50 plus 7, that is 57. Next, 72 plus 14, i-decompose natin. That is 70 plus 2. Then, 10 plus 4. Pagsamahin natin yung dalawang tens, that is 7 plus 10. Then, dito, yung ones, 2 and 4. Okay, so let's add 70 plus 10, that is 80. And then 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 80 plus 6 is 86. Next, we have 45 plus 31. Let's decompose 45. Magiging ano ang 45? Kung ang sagot nyo ay 40 plus 5, tama kayo. 31. That is 30 plus 1. Ngayon, atin ang ilagay dito yung tens. So that is 40 plus 30. Then, dito yung ones, that is 5 plus 1. Then, saka natin i-plus. 40 plus 30 is 70. Then, 5 plus 1 is 6. 70 plus 6 is 76. Next, we have 18 plus 71. So, i-decompose natin ang 18. That is 10 plus 18. At i-decompose natin ang 71. That is 70 plus 1. Then, dito, ilagay natin yung may mga 0 o may nasa digit ng tens. That is 10 plus 70. Then, dito sa kabila, 8 plus 1. So, 10 plus 70 is 80. And 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 89. Yan. Hope you get it, ha? Next, we have 73 plus 26. I-decompose ang 73, that is 70 plus 3. Then, i-decompose ang 26, that is 20 plus 6. Then, let's combine yung mga nasa tens. Ang nasa tens, may 0. 70 plus 20. And yung nasa ones, 3 plus 6. So, let's add 70 and 20, that is 90. Then, 6 plus 3 is 9. So, 90 plus 9, 99. Okay, so marami akong binigay na example dito ha, para mas maintindihan nyo yung process. 43 plus 6. So, let's decompose or get the expanded form of 43. That is 40 plus 6 plus 3. Then, 16, that is 10 plus 6. Tapos, ilagay natin dito yung nasa tens. That is 40 and 10. Ito yon. Tapos, dito yung nasa ones. That is 3 at saka 6. So, 40 plus 10 is 50. 3 plus 6 is, what is your answer? That is 9. Then, 50 plus 9? 59. Next, we have 64 plus 33. I-decompose natin. That is 60 plus 4. Yung 33, magiging 30 plus 3. Then, ilagay natin yung nasa tens. That is 60 and 30. And then, yung nasa ones, that is 4 plus 3. Then, 60 plus 30, that is 90. Then, we have to add 4 plus 3. Nasa isip yung 4, nasa kamay yung 3. Anong sagot? That is 7. So, 90 plus 7, 97. Okay, so hopefully naintindihan yung lesson natin. So, you can do this one. You have to try to answer this as well as this one. Okay? So, paano tayo nag-a-add ng mga bilang horizontally gamit ang paraan ng decomposing? So, nag-expand tayo. Pinapahaba. Alamin ang samang sumusunod na addends i-solve horizontally gamit ang paraan ng pagde-decompose using expanded form. I want you to try to answer this problem. So, meron ako dito minigay na 3 na isi-solve nyo. Okay, you can pause the video at pwede nyo ibalik dun sa paraan paano makuha ang sagot kung nakalimutan nyo yung process. Okay? Ayan. Then, you can ask someone to check your answer. This is for number 2. Kapag hindi nyo naintindihan, ibalik nyo doon sa video natin na nag-explain or pwede kayo magtanong sa inyong mga kamag-aral o sa inyong guro. Okay, this one. So, makikipost na lang kapag hindi pa kayo tapos. So, that would be all. Ayan, hope marami kayong natutunan at medyo mahirap to kapag talagang hindi nyo inintinding mabuti. So, try to listen carefully, play again the video para mas maintindihan ang lesson. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!